up, Web3 crew? It's me, Chris Atumans, right here at the GameExpo Dubai, the World Trade Center, and currently at the booth of Forixito Studio with the creative director, Mr. Ismail Ali. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. And how's the event so far?
It's amazing. I'm always here on this event. Whenever they say that there is any gaming events, I come here and I put my products here.
Yes. And how we were here same time. I mean, last year, right? So how was it compared to last year?
It is nice, you know. In Dubai, it's always they are improving in these kind of events. So that's why I always like when I hear like Dubai, they want to do like any events that related to me. I just immediately go there without thinking.
I had an interview with you last year. So do you have like a bit update of what happened to Forixito in the whole year, or after I had an interview with you, and then after what happened to Darkness Road as well?
So comparing by last year, now we reached like around like 95% of the full game. It's almost ready. So hopefully during this year we're gonna announce about like the full game. And we added something really nice in our game. We added something, it's called merchant in the game, that you can buy and sell items in the game. It's like, you know, the players, they like to have like, you know, some kind of weapons for their combat and some strategy, like you have to calculate your currency during the game. So we added this one to make it like a little bit strategic for the player.
And I can see that in the booth, a lot of kids were playing as well. As I thought before, it was kind of like a horror game or something, but it's actually not, right?
It is not really. It is a horror game, but you need to use your strategic. You need to use your, because we have a lot of puzzles in the game.
Yeah.
So you need to solve these puzzles, obstacles that the player they have to move on. So, yes.
And for those who doesn't know, Darkness Road, is it a little bit historical background or something when it comes to
Basically, Darkness Road, it is a horror survivor game, story-based, single-player, third-person viewer.
For those who doesn't know and who wasn't able to watch our interview last year, so Darkness Road, what's next for you guys? What can we expect this year?
Well, I would say follow us on all our social media channels. We have like a lot of surprises. After we publish this game, there is more. This is just a startup. There is more coming.
And stay tuned for what's the update. We're not gonna announce it. I know it, but it's a secret. So last question, what do you think is the future of money?
Money is gonna be everything digitalized. You know the blockchain and the money market now is all digitalized. Nobody now use the normal currency. Everybody they use the now digital money. Even if you saw like UAE, they just announced like our new logo for digital, and yes, nobody is using now the normal money.
Is there any chance someday you're gonna put Darkness Road into blockchain as well?
Hopefully one day. We are looking for that one. Yes.
Thank you so much, Ismail. Once again, this is me, Chris Atumans. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of